A year ago, tragedy struck the town of Othaya when a devastating fire burned the Equity Bank branch. What had been a hub of financial activity was suddenly gone, leaving thousands of customers stranded. For months, residents were forced to travel to access banking services such as cash withdrawals and deposits. It was a difficult season, but the people of Othaya never lost faith that their branch would rise again. For many customers, the reopening isn't just about convenience. It's about reconnecting with a trusted financial partner that has worked with them through both hardship and hope.
Tulikuwa na janga la moto mwaka jana mwezi wa 10 tarehe 23. Shida ilikuwa wakati janga la moto lilipata, ilikuwa na wakati bonus ya majani ililipwa. So hatukuwa na mahali ya kusavia customers because nyumba yetu yenye tulikuwa tunasavia customer wetu ilichomeka na ikaisha yote.
Today, that faith has been rewarded. Equity Bank has officially reopened the Othaya branch, a modern, welcoming space that stands as a symbol of resilience and renewal.
We have had 1 year to rebuild that branch. Our customers have been very patient with us. They have been getting services from the temporary shelter at Othaya Locals. That hassle now comes to an end. Some of them have had to be served from Kiriaini, which is a distance, or from Nyeri or from Mukuroini. Their home branch is back. They are excited to be back because this branch, even though it is an asset for the bank, it is owned by the members of Othaya, who are our customers. So we want to tell them thank you for waiting for that 1 year for us to rebuild the branch. It's come back much better than it was before, more safer, and we are welcoming you back to come and get your services, the services that you've been getting from a temporary shelter.
Beyond banking, the reopening symbolizes the resilience of Othaya itself and what's possible when a corporate institution and community come together to rebuild stronger than before.
When Equity came, it accommodated us such that ungeikia tu kwa Equity ukiwa na shida ya 300 mambo ambayo hatujawahi kuona, unatoka na 300,000, 200,000 na umeingia hawa watu hakujui. Tulikuwa na gari tumeona mahali and it was 1.2 million. Wakatuambia watatunulia 100% with that one vehicle. Today tuina gari makiria igana rimwe na Cianacon Society tuina more than 12 vehicles through assistance ya Equity Bank. So we feel Equity Bank is more of our bank than they feel that we as the customers, we belong to Equity Bank.
It's really amazing to have been in this beautiful place. If I look at the journey and the reflection of the discussions today and where we come from, looking at how the facility has been before, and our customers have stuck with us during this time, the level of digital adoption, and just looking at how we've been able to bounce back with the revamped branch. It is really exciting to see that we have actually given the community what it needs. There has been a warm welcome from the members. They've been supportive. The great stories that we have heard today about equity. Indeed, we are transforming lives here. It's amazing to hear the community stories and what they're sharing with us. And we have to actually do more as we go ahead.
From ashes to achievement, the reopening of Equity Bank Othaya branch stands as a testament to hope, determination, and the power of community resilience.